some fresh details that have emerged in the BMW crash case in Delhi that killed a senior finance ministry official. A Delhi police team today reached the Harinagar residence of the deceased victim Navjot Singh to record statements of family members. Navjot Singh was serving as the Deputy Secretary in the Department of Economic Affairs. Meanwhile, police have also recorded the statement of eyewitness Gulfam, the driver who rushed the injured couple to a hospital in his loader van. Gulfam has told investigators that he took the victims to New Life Hospital in Mukherjee Nagar, nearly 19 kilometers away from the accident site. Police say they will question him again in details about the route taken, his interaction with the accused woman, and what she told him during the journey. At the same time, the Delhi Cant police team has also taken the accused driver Gaganpreet Kaur to custody. While police can arrest them after recording their statements, they are waiting for doctor's clearance before taking action. News 9 has accessed the FIR in the case, which makes several explosive revelations. The BMW driver was speeding and lost control, ramming into Navjot Singh's motorcycle from behind. The victim was alive after the crash. His wife, Sandeep Kaur, repeatedly pleaded with the accused to take him to the nearest hospital. Instead, Gaganpreet allegedly insisted on taking the victim to a small private hospital linked to her acquaintances located 19 kilometers away. The FIR records Sandeep's statement that the delay cost her husband his life. She herself suffered multiple fractures, head injuries, and 14 stitches despite wearing a helmet. And adding to the controversy, the victim's son has alleged that VIP treatment was given for the BMW owner's family at the hospital, even as his injured mother was allegedly left unattended in the lobby. He says that 1 hour delay and lack of proper facilities contributed to his father's death.
फैमिली फ्रेंड का फ़ोन आता है कि ऐसे उनका एक्सीडेंट हो गया एंड वहाँ न्यू लाइफ हॉस्पिटल है जीटीबी नगर में, वहाँ जाना है। तो उन्होंने मुझे पिक करा और लेके गए। थैंकफुली क्या हुआ था कि वैसे तो एक्सीडेंट के टाइम मेरे मम्मी पापा दोनों अनकॉन्शियस थे, बट मम्मी को बाद में कॉन्शियसनेस रिगेन हो गई थी एंड उनको नंबर नहीं याद आ रहा था किसी का भी, मेरा भी नहीं आ रहा था एंड और किसी का भी नहीं आ रहा था। तो उन्होंने एक ऐसे बोल दिया कि एक हॉस्पिटल में हमारे ये फ्रेंड है तो उनको बता दो, क्योंकि वो ट्रेसेबल था। तो उसी के थ्रू पता लग गया, नहीं तो पता ही नहीं लगता है। तो एंड
उसके बाद उन्हें किस अस्पताल में लेकर गए, वहाँ पर क्या स्थिति?
उसके बाद दोहरा अराउंड 1:30 बिटवीन 1 and 1:30 एग्जैक्ट टाइम अभी पता नहीं, बट एक्सीडेंट हुआ था। a girl driving a BMW crashed into my parents' motorcycle and उसके बाद फॉर सम रीज़न जो मैं अभी तक नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ, देयर इज़ डेफिनेटली समथिंग रॉन्ग हियर, बट उनको 20 किलोमीटर दूर जो 1 घंटा लगा, उनको न्यू लाइफ करके हॉस्पिटल है जीटीबी नगर में, वहाँ लेके गया। बहुत ही इट इज़ हॉस्पिटल भी नहीं है, इट इज़ मोर लाइक ए नर्सिंग होम।
Police has now added charges of destruction and concealment of evidence to the FIR. Legal action is underway with the case registered under sections 105, 125B, 281 and 238A of the BNS.
2 से 3 कॉल आती हैं कि ट्रैफिक जाम है धौला कुआं के आसपास, तो हमारा जो थाने का और जो चौकी का स्टाफ है वो वहाँ पे रश करता है उसको क्लियर कराने के लिए। बट इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ जाके ये मिलती है कि एक BMW गाड़ी और एक बाइक के बीच में एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। 1-2 इंडिपेंडेंट विटनेसेस से ये पता चलता है कि उनको ऑलरेडी जो सस्पेक्ट हैं इस केस के अंदर, जो एक्यूज्ड हैं हमारे, वो ऑलरेडी एक टैक्सी में बैठा के किसी हॉस्पिटल में शिफ्ट कर गए हैं। इन द मीनवाइल हमारा जितना भी स्टाफ होता है वो CCTV फुटेज को वेरीफाई करता है। जो क्राइम टीम है और जो मोबाइल टीम है वो साइट इंस्पेक्शन और व्हीकल इंस्पेक्शन के लिए वहाँ पे विज़िट करती है। तब तक फिर 4:20 के अराउंड हमारे पास एक और कॉल आती है, GTB में एक हॉस्पिटल है वहाँ से, कि एक्सीडेंट का एक केस जो दिल्ली कैंट का है वो उनके पास रिसीव हुआ है, तो उस पर हम आगे की जितनी भी अपनी कार्रवाई है फिर वहाँ जाके करते हैं।
Now, the eyewitness videos from the accident spot shows the BMW flipped upside down, Navjot Singh and his wife lying on the road and the motorcycle smashed near the wreckage. The tragedy has sparked outrage, with colleagues in the civil services fraternity demanding a fair probe and strict action against those responsible. For now, the investigation is widening focus not only on the high-speed crash but also on the deliberate choice of hospital, delay in treatment and possible tampering of evidence.
BMW Delhi crash, the car which was involved, let me show you, this is the BMW which was involved in the accident. Now looking at the condition of the BMW, we can make out that at what speed the car was. In fact, Sandeep Kaur in her statement to the police and in the FIR have clearly mentioned that the BMW was coming at a very high speed and it had hit the motorcycle on which Sandeep Kaur and her husband Navjot Singh was. Then after the BMW hit the motorcycle, it had impact on the pillar number 67, then it had impact on the bus, after which it overturned. Now the impact was so severe, you can see the entire portion of the car, the frontal portion of the car has been completely gone. Now let me show you the visuals from inside the car. You can see after the impact, multiple airbags after the impact have opened. Now these pictures clearly shows the severity of the impact. In fact, Sandeep Kaur time and again in the statement have mentioned that the car was coming at a very high speed. Now the police have reached the New Life hospital where the person who was driving this car has been identified as Gaganpreet. She has been arrested. Now in the car Gaganpreet was driving, her husband was there and her two kids was there at the time when the accident happened. Now Gaganpreet has been arrested and the Delhi police is bringing her to the Delhi Cant police station. Now let me show you the side visuals. You can see the impact of the car. The car, after it had an impact with the bus, the car overturned and then people who were present, the eyewitnesses who were present, they tried to pull out Gaganpreet, her husband and the two kids from inside the car, after which they had called a delivery van through which they have taken Sandeep Kaur as well as Navjot Singh to the hospital in GTB Nagar, in GTB Road in Mukherjee Nagar. The hospital name is New Life. Now the police currently is investigating various angles. A shocking incident has been reported from the national capital when yesterday a senior officer from the finance ministry has lost his life in a tragic road accident. Now the senior officer has been identified as Navjot Singh. Now Navjot Singh and his wife Sandeep Kaur on a Sunday afternoon travelled to Bangla Sahib Gurudwara, and after that they visited the Karnataka Bhavan for a lunch, and after 1:15 they were travelling back to Harinagar. Now when they reached near pillar number 67, a BMW which was coming at a very high speed had a strong impact on the motorcycle, after which the motorcycle had hit the pillar number 67 and then it had an impact on the bus and then the BMW overturned. Now the eyewitness who were present out here has identified that the BMW was being driven by a female named Gaganpreet. Now Gaganpreet was in the car along with her husband and her two children. Now the Delhi police have registered an FIR in this matter.